Velouté is one of the mother sauces, and it's made just like bechamel, but instead of using milk, you use a chicken or a fish stock. Velouté sauce adds extra flavor and moisture to baked chicken or fish. Velouté sauce is a white sauce that used to be made with veal stock years ago. Now people typically make it with either a chicken or a fish stock. We're making ours with a chicken stock. So before you go any further, make sure you get all your ingredients in place. I know this step seems like a bit of a pain in the butt, but believe me, it'll make your life easier and it makes cooking so much more fun. This sauce starts with a roux of equal parts unsalted butter and flour. Cook this down for 2 to 3 minutes to cook off the pasty flour taste. Then whisk in 2 cups of chicken or fish stock. Bring it up to a boil and then immediately reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. To enhance its flavor, simmer a little onion, white pepper, 1 or 2 cloves, kosher salt, and a bay leaf in it for 10 to 15 minutes. Just that little amount of time makes a big difference. To make it smooth and velvety, strain it through a fine mesh strainer. This velouté is going over a chicken breast, making it so incredibly moist with deep, rich flavors. Oh man, so good. That is like comfort food at its finest. It's kind of like a warm hug from the inside out. That doesn't even make sense, but anyway, you know what I mean. So this is a recipe that is in my cookbook, Lakeside Table Sauces, which you can find at lakesidetable.com. So head over there, get yourself a copy of the hardback or the ebook, whichever one you like, or both. And then come on back for some more videos, and I will see you soon. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.